welcome back to my channel. My name is DESZREN. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm just showing you guys a really quick preview of how I did the 2-strand twist on my locks. If you want to see the whole video, I will put it in the cards, so you can go check that out if you're interested. I know a lot of you already watched that video and you're really just here to see the results of this twist out, so stay tuned. Also, I hope you guys are liking my new intro because I am absolutely in love with it. My girl Elsa did it for me once again. I'm gonna put her social media in my description, so definitely check her page out, guys. Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and do that. I do post pictures of my hair or videos of my hair, so you guys can see more of that up there too. This is what my hair looked like when it was completely dry. This was a couple days after. These twists did not last long. I talk about it a little bit in the video, but yeah, you can see they were pretty good. They didn't really shrink that much. I really liked how they looked after a while. It took some getting used to, but I did end up liking it. Hey guys, so these twists that I put in after I retwisted my hair, while I retwisted my hair, they hurt, okay? And I need you to understand that I have not had like a tight style in so long. So my head was busting. I'm already tender-headed, so it just was not fun. My head feels a lot better now, yes, but I'm ready to take them out. I want to see how my hair looks. I knew it was not gonna last a week like I wanted it to, but oh well, what can you do? I'm ready to take them out, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna take my shea nut oil and jojoba oil, vitamin E oil mixture, and I'm just gonna put some between the palms of my hands and my fingertips, especially while I unravel them. So you can see the oil on my hands. I'm gonna start in the back. I think that's all of them. I sure hope so. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know how I feel about it. It's not like, it's not bad. I'm gonna have to do something. Because it doesn't look how I expected it to, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, but I don't know. You know when like you just have an idea of how something's gonna look in your head, and then when it happens, it doesn't look like that, and you're just like kind of caught off guard. That's kind of what just happened, but I'm gonna work with it. I'm gonna see what I can do with it. So I'm a little bit happier with it, but that's what it's looking like. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure out something. One thing I love about having my locks is that I can change my hairstyle like 80 times in one day, which is what I ended up doing this day. You guys are going to see later on the style that I actually ended up changing it to. And there you go. I'm satisfied with this look. I think once my hair gets frizzier, you know, within like the next week or so, I'll like it a lot better. That's normally how it goes anyways. I'm not really fond of a very fresh, clean retwist. I'm not that upset that I'm not super happy with how the twist out came out, but I know I can work with my hair and do different styles with it, so it's not too big of a deal. And I know once the frizz happens and all that good stuff, I'm gonna be happier with it. So yeah.